Good morning, everyone. Today is a very special day.
The first day of school. I can feel it in the air.
It is a big day for Tom.
A very big day. Time to wake him up. Wake up, Tom.
Wake up, sweetie.
It is time for school. Get ready.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
Oh no, it is much too early for that.
Knock, knock. Wake up, Sleeping Beauty.
Dad, I am so sleepy. Please let me sleep.
No more sleeping, Tom.
Look at the sunshine.
It is a beautiful day outside.
My eyes. The sun is shining so bright.
Come on, Tom. You need to wash your face.
Okay. I am getting up. Squeeze. Oh no. I pressed too hard.
Oh, Tom, watch me squeeze the toothpaste gently.
Brush up and down, round and round.
Do not forget to brush your back teeth.
I am brushing up and down.
Good job. Now rinse your mouth with water.
And spit. Woo! Done!
Perfect. Now let us fix your hair.
I want to look cool today.
What style do you want?
Watch me slick my hair back. Look, I am a movie star.
Handsome, Tom. You look very handsome with that style.
Very handsome indeed. Tom, are you done? Come here.
Time to get dressed. The uniform is ready.
We are coming right now, Mom.
Here is your uniform, fresh and clean.
The summer was too short, Mom.
What do you mean?
I am not ready for school. I want to travel more.
I understand, honey.
I want to go to the beach again.
We all love holidays, but vacations cannot last forever.
We have to go back to school, right?
I guess so.
Think about your friends. Do you miss them?
Well, yes.
And your teachers too?
Yeah, I do. Yes, I do.
See? It will be fun.
I am super fast. Watch me.
Show us what you can do.
I am doing button 1, then button 2. All done.
Oh dear. Come here, Tom.
What is wrong?
Look at your buttons.
Huh? Why is one side longer? Is it magic? It is wrong. You missed one hole. Let me fix the collar too.
Okay, Mom.
There you go. Now you look smart and tidy.
You are the best, Mom.
Oh, you are a sweetie.
And now the tie. Let Dad help you.
You know how to do it?
I am an expert. Over, under, around, and pull.
Wow.
It looks a bit funny. Why is it sideways?
Oh, let me do it.
I thought I did well.
Perfect. Now it looks right.
Good morning, Madam and Sir.
What are you doing, Dad?
Welcome to Chef Dad's restaurant. Your breakfast is ready.
And what do we have today?
We have eggs and toast.
Wow, it looks delicious. Thank you, Dad.
You are so funny.
It looks like a 5-star restaurant.
You are welcome.
And please eat now. You need energy for school.
This food is so yummy. Nom nom nom.
It smells so good, right?
but my tummy feels a little funny.
What do you mean?
Like little beans are jumping inside. Yes, just a little bit.
That is okay.
But you need brain food.
Eggs and toast help you learn and think.
You should try just one bite. It will give you power.
It is good. Thanks, Dad.
The wheels on the car go round and round,
Round and round,
round and round.
We are almost there, Tom. The school is near.
Dad, Mom, I have a question. I am listening.
What is it, Tom?
Do you think my friends remember me?
Why do you ask?
I have not seen them for 3 months.
Of course you are, Tom. How can they forget you?
I wonder if their holiday was fun. Did they travel like us?
Well, I want to know.
You can ask them soon.
And it is a good way to start a conversation.
Mom, I have another question.
Go ahead, Tom. What is on your mind?
Do other kids feel nervous like me?
What do you mean?
Am I the only one?
Oh, honey. Everyone is nervous on the first day.
Even the teachers feel nervous.
Really? Do the teachers feel nervous too?
Yes, it is normal. Yeah.
But after 5 minutes, everyone will be happy.
If you smile first, then they will smile back at you.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Here we are.
Have a wonderful day, my love.
Wow. Listen, it is so loud and fun.
Everything looks new, right?
Yes, everything looks so different.
Look, Tom. Do you see your friends?
Oh, I see them. I miss them so much.
Go ahead. They are waiting for you.
Wait for me.
Look at him. He is ready to learn new things.
Yes. Back to school is a very special day.
Our little boy is growing up.
He will have a wonderful day.
I know he will.